How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another XRP update. It's on the verge of breaking out, and if you've been following along with the updates, you would know that on the break of $3.11, we should expect $5.35, 36 as a minimal target. So the pattern that's going to take XRP up there is the complete opposite of the pattern I flipped bearish with. So there was this head and shoulders previously spotted here by myself, and I was fully convinced it would play out because of how large the wick of this candle was. And once we'd got down to that wick, it was a huge layer of support. We're not actually seeing any candle closes through that area. You can see it was maintained. The body came down into there and held that exactly $1.79. Now you can see XRP actually went lower than $1.79, but not with the daily candle closes, and that's what's the most important factor. So equally, we want a daily candle close above $3.39. But there is a precursor signal based off my strategy. Once I already see the 886 broken, I have those higher up expectations of a new all-time high for XRP, but also across any altcoin, any stock, any Forex pairs you can use this strategy on. So once that level is broken, I have my expectation set on $5.35. We'll just call it. Now, this pattern down over here, the inverse of the bearish one, actually has a different neckline, a different trigger. So once $2.55 to $2.61, so it's in alignment also with the Fibonacci's, once that area is broken, that's what's going to kickstart the move into $5.30. So even more of a precursor signal. Remember that down here, we want the daily candle close, that body to close beneath the lowest point of support, and it's the same for the resistance up here. But in this case, because of the strategy I'm using, we have precursor signals, so we can get an idea that we will break that high even earlier than waiting for the close above this point. So we have some good signals already. The 200 EMA was lost but now reclaimed. We're seeing characteristic changes here because the structure is going from lower lows into higher lows, and this is the great base to work from, not out of the woods yet, and that's why we need to see a new local higher high above this high. That is what's going to be the telltale signal in this for XRP. So on the break of that, we get this immediate move up into the macro 886 area. Now this is the final area of resistance. You could argue, if Bitcoin's coming into a resistance point also, that this could be where it tops out and we have another move down and we just consolidate again with the hope that this low maintains, because any low higher than this will still give chances of uptrend continuation and a new all-time high. So from the 200 EMA down at $2, we're already starting to see the signs of reversal. You can see over here a small double bottom within the right shoulder. So if I zoom in a little bit, you can see it's already breaking through the moving averages. This is also something we need to see if you want the trend to be bullish. So on the break of $2.27, we're going to get that continuation into $2.55, $2.61. So break those moving averages with the daily candle close today, and we will get this expected move up. Now, from today's current price, this move up would be a 15% move without leverage. And once that's broken, you've got a 37% move from today's current price into $3.11. And everything changes once that area is support. Please don't forget that, because once $3.11 is support, it's immediately heading towards $4.15 to $5.35. That is it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if you want to get educated, get your head around this, learn how to use TradingView itself. Check out the links in the description, whether it's through my ebook, the one-to-one mentorship plans, or you want to be part of my Discord community.